Welcome to Marlin Steel, where our mantra is quality engineered quick. Marlin Steel is a factory dedicated to workplace automation and employee development.
Our investments have resulted in a 700% sales growth. We produce faster with higher quality, using digital technology and a more skilled and empowered workforce.
For decades, Marlin Steel was known as the king of bagel baskets. Our world was measured in bagels. As long as the bagel stayed in the basket, the customer was pleased.
But the opportunity to work on a project for Boeing brought to light the critical relationship between quality, engineering, and quick.
This opportunity compelled us to invest in truly advanced technology.
We were moving into the world of Siemens, where precision is measured to 1/100th of a millimeter. We invested in a CNC that brings the highest possible return at every level: machines, operations, and people. Our jig welder is a VersaWeld CSR 102, powered by a Siemens C-numeric 840 DSL. Each weld is completed 30 times faster than standard welding systems. Heat saturation is diminished, minimizing deformities and eliminating cleanup and labor costs. The 840 DSL enables control of up to 32 axes. We can program for wire-on-wire welding or wire-on-sheet metal welding. Fixturing is now reduced to just one jig. Quality is improved, material handling reduced.
At the operational level, we also see greater returns. Advanced CNC helps us integrate more digital technologies, from robotics to additive machining.
Our processes have been reconfigured for increased productivity. Today, 20% of our employees are mechanical engineers. They come up with amazing innovations, winning us more jobs. In fact, we now ship custom engineered wire baskets to 39 countries.
We live in a very dynamic and global marketplace. We've transformed our company and invested in technology. With C-numeric CNC, anything is possible.